I see the skyline with a neon glow. Dreams on the rise where the rivers flow. Chasing the stars with a fearless stride. My funded futures take me worldwide. My funded futures light the way, breaking through night into brighter days. My funded TV shows the scene, living my life like a vivid dream. The clock keeps ticking, but I won't slow down. Building my empire in this buzzing town. Casting my vision on the silver screen. My funded life, a vivid sheen. My funded futures light the way, breaking through.
Up here, non-confirmations, you can go 80 up to the 80 up to 120. I'd be looking to short them. All right, nice push up here. The S&P is very, very strong here. Big I look to short the S&Ps here, 93 up to 99. All right, again, we got some big moves here. We intercepted right here. You can see we got caboosed here. Look at this, 220. They just ran 200, almost 300 points here. Look at this, 360 points. This NASDAQ is so corrupt, I can't take it. Okay, how is everybody? We won the war. King of the West, what's going on, my brother? What's up? Hey, everybody. Okay, please register for tonight. Mosdeef, Vanessa, what's going on? Vanessa, Beatree, Theo, Kenya, Izzy, Lizzie, what's going on? Get in there. Miss K is in the house. GB, Rick Francis. What's going on? Cheesy Pepperoni, D Hall. D Hall, you want to tell me what the hell happened from here to here? Oh, yeah. How do you keep a track of FOMC news? That's tomorrow, the FOMC. What are you talking about? All right, estimated profit. What's going on? Future duck. Market will keep pumping. I don't know about that. I think July, August, and September are going to get, market's going to get cabooshed. And then I think the market explodes in the third and fourth quarter. Okay? Hey, Apple, what's going on? How'd your mother do today? NASDAQ, look to cover any shorts here between the 70 and 85 range if we get a push down. All right? Market is on crack. I agree. I just saw Micron go from 805, 808 to 830 in literally in seconds here. All right. We got Microsoft, we got Amazon, Apple, and Meta earnings coming out in the next 2 days. Okay. Let's see. What's Visa doing here? Visa. Oh my God. Visa 661. Oh my God. Look at this Visa. Look at this. Look at this Visa. Oh my God. Look at this Visa. Visa 661. Oh my God. Oh my God. And the Visa's calling me. All right. All right. Let's just see. Let me charge my phone here. All right. Okay. All right. And they're off at Belmont. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Here we go. Look at this NASDAQ. Look at this NASDAQ. Buy, buy, buy. You said look to cover anywhere between the 70 and 90 range here if you're short. Let's go. Smash the likes, baby. Let's go. All right, here we go. What in God's creation here? Look at them drop. Look at them drop. Lower your stop with lower your stops. J-Dubs, get in there. Sijak, what's up? The Fibonacci, what? I can't even understand. All right, G Peralta, Bear Trader, Spyro, Ramisa Rojas, smash the likes. Let's go. Linda NQ, how are you, Linda? How you like the live stream, Linda? During the day, Linda's part of it. Dirtbag, what's going on? Barbie CR, what's going on? Double L's here. The Fibona, how are you? Samuel, how you go? Miss K is in the house. Gameplay full Italy. The Luke is on fire. Sire Trades, what's going on? All right. NASDAQ at short here, 28,135, 140 up to 75.80. Oh, give me a break with this NASDAQ. Let's go. We are, look here, you can see here with $25 above the 10 bar moving average here. So let's see if we can get some type of a drop here. Gold just got cabooshed. NASDAQ. Look to cover here. Here we go. 25 to 45 range just dropped here. Good evening, the Luke. Let's go, Luke. Get in there, Luke. Get in there. Get in there. Get in there. Here we go. Get in there. Fade the pop. Fade the pop. NASDAQ. Fade the pop. Here we go. Fade the pop. Let's go. We need the bear. Let's go. Investing Bell, get in there. Investing Bell, did you have a problem yesterday? I asked you to give me a call. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, my goodness gracious. Moises, fade the short scalp. Fade the pop. Yes, short scalp. Yes. Yes, you're in a bullish trend. You're in a bullish trend. So I said you, right? Now we just got to look to buy pullbacks here. So we're going to look to buy the first pullback on the 5-minute. This gold, I'm telling you, this gold drives me crazy. Every time it gets near 4,000, I just want to buy it. It's this thing. I'm telling you, if he raises interest rates one more time, I think the market explodes. I'll tell you why. Okay, because now they're going to think that there's no more interest rate hikes and the next 2027 is going to be cut. So I think he's going to raise interest rates just one more time here because he wants to show, he's the man. Okay, and Doce leverage. You can't be late to the game. Come on, play ball, baby. Right? One trade. Pierre Joseph 930. See, put that in your Pierre from Uncle Stevie. Okay, for your son. Put that away for his future. Okay, Pierre, God bless you. Brand new baby. Beautiful. That's beautiful, Pierre. God bless you, brother. Okay, God bless you. That's what I'm talking about. That's why we do this here, to better our lives every single day. And you got the greatest prop firm known to mankind, MyFundedFutures here. We should have 19,000 people watching this thing. How we have 300 to 500 some nights is beyond me. I have no idea. Beyond me. All right. Is the best. Exactly, Baba Trading. Exactly. All right. All right, Nasdaq's trying to drop here. Got to get these S&Ps to drop.
It's right at 7,500.
What is that?
It's right at 7,500, big round number.
Yeah, good. Let them get. They're gonna get slaughtered.
Yeah.
Right? You get your payout in seconds. Yes, it's more scalping. Question is more of scalping. Yeah, I'm scalping because of the fact you're in a positive trend. The 15, 30, and 60-minute time frames, Ray, are in buy mode. Nasdaq should be sold. I agree, but maybe higher. All right. Anybody on my... Hey, Diego, you here, Diego? Let's see if we get another push down. We got to see if we can hopefully get one more. Okay, so now the strategy here is to look to buy the first pullback here on the 5-minute time frame, and then look to get launching it wants to go to 200, 600. I don't know. Look at this gold. I think gold's going down. Yes, sir. All right, if we push up here again, I've scalped the short here, 170 up to 210. Just looking to scalp. And you got to go wide on your ranges, okay? Let's see if we get some. I'm looking for the pullback here. Plus, you got the 15-minute time. Wow, this gold just got kabooshed here. All right. Got to get the NASDAQ and S&Ps to start dropping here. You're 175 points right here from the 10-bar weighted moving average. If you see here, you're higher, which means that the algorithm will reverse itself first before it touches the 10-bar. So you can see 979 is the 10-bar. The algo is about 50 higher, which means if you do get a pullback, this is going to reverse itself first before it touches the 10-bar moving average. So I'm looking for a pullback here, okay? I'm looking for a pullback here. Just got up to 78. Just dropped about 25 here. So again, if you're short, look to just cover anywhere between the 30 and 50 range here. And here we go. Let's see if we get a pullback here. All right. Let's see if we get a pullback. All right. S&P should pull back here. You could look to cover, Diego, 92 to 94.5 range. If you're short, we won the war. Gold long, not yet. Not yet. Not yet on the gold. Not yet. Oh boy. Ethan, congratulations last night, Ethan. Well, I just randomly picked it, so good job. All right, here we go. They're dropping here. Again, the NASDAQ just dropped about 40. S&Ps here dropping here. Here we go. All right, let's just see. Again, I would wait for a deep oversold condition on the 5 before I would look to go long. Let's see, we get it's just Jesus. You wait for pullbacks. Yep. Well, we got Seagate. I mean, literally, I came here. Micron was trading 808, and now it's 830. And AMD was 452, now it's 460. All right, here's a drop. Let's see if we get this here. See if we get a pullback here. All right. Where they get down to 30.29. All right. Still looking to see if you do get one more push up here. I'll look to short them. You got a 97 overbought reading on the 15. Got almost a 90 over 88, 90 on the 30-minute time frame. I'm looking for pullbacks here. Let's just see if we get a pullback here. Don't take your time. Come on, drop, baby. Drop, 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 drop. Don't live too fast. Troubles will come. They won't last. Hey, Sanchez, how are you? Good evening, Stephen, everybody. Lord Giorgio. There you go. There you go. Crypto sitting up for longs on pullbacks. There's a NASDAQ, S&Ps. I'd lower your stops. There you go. There you go. And be a simple kind of man. There you go, baby. Nice pullback. Dropped about 60 off the highs. Let it be a simple. There you go. Big W there. Anybody new here? Anybody new here tonight? There you go, Corzeal. There you go. Get in there. Anybody new here tonight? Linda and Q, get in there. Jennifer, get in there. All right. Jason King, nice to meet you. ES Pack. All right. The blessings, Vanessa, Minimax. Okay. No, I think he's going to raise rates. Yes, I'll call you after. Come on, let's see. We got one more push down here. I want to get along here. It's still too far from the 10 bar. Got down to 09. Just dropped about 69 points here. Still want to get one more push. There goes the gold. All right. I don't like bracket orders. I don't think I don't know.
I don't either.
I think it's I don't know. I don't want to say it, but I don't think it's the right thing to do, but bracket orders. I like to scale into my trades.
Yeah.
Keith Matthews, how are you? You're bidding 39. Were you long? I was looking for lower here. ADXs are rising, so you got to wait for the pullback on the 3-minute. So let's just see if we get a pullback here on the 3. So 09, let's see here, 10. It just ran. So when the ADXs are rising on the 3 and the 5, you want to look for a pullback on the 3-minute. Let's see if they can drop a little bit more here. Gold, new highs here. Gold just ran about 7. All right, there's the link for MyFundedFutures, everybody. Go ahead. Good luck. Sign up. Get in there. I'm looking for pullbacks to get long. Linda NQ, how are you, Linda NQ? How are you? All right. If this NASDAQ, I want to see if this NASDAQ can get down to the 28,000, 65 to 28,105. Let's see if it can get down in that range off the 3-minute. The trend is strong. I agree. All right. I'm hoping we get this pullback here down to 05. Yeah, baby. Come on. Come to daddy. Come to daddy. Let's go. Let's see if we get a pullback here. 05. 10 bar moving average is still 50 or below. Remember, I told you that the algorithm could reverse to sell. Oh, come on. Come on. That's not right. Come on. 15. Come on. Jesus. I know. I'm calling for longs. I missed it by 10 ticks. What the heck? But you got to fade the pop. They're going to drop again. What's up, Michael? I told you, I was calling longs. They just didn't get down there. Okay, they just dropped 30. I told you they were going to drop. So what does that mean? Try to be a little patient here. See if we get this 05 print. I don't want to get kabooshed and have it drop 25 on my face. The low is what, 12? And come on, let's see here. Yeah, 05. Come on. Oh, come on. No. Look at this. If it hits 05, I'm going to go through the. It just hit 06. Here we go. 05. Here you go. I told you. Okay. All right. Patience, my dear brother. Mini max. Okay. Might even go lower. Might even take out 100. Okay. There you go. All right. Look, 100. Just drop 90. Okay. I knew when they pushed up like that, you fade the pop. Look at this. Down 90, 100 points practically here. You can scale out any longs here. 100 up to like 110. On the 3, the 5s are going to set up. Boom. What idiot did a sweep like that? Boom. 90, 85. See, that's what happens. Should have been a little bit more patient here. These 5s are going to go negative, and then you could look to buy them. They just dropped 100 handles off the high here. Look at this. Boom. $27,090, 900. Could. Yeah. I think you're going to get one more push up there, though. All right. Again, the S&Ps are the strongest of the bunch here. You can scale out here 90, 92, 93 up to 05 gets up there, or 10. Let's see if you get one more push up. Going down to VWAP. Everybody talks about VWAP. News came out. Did it come out? So I told you when the algorithm here, look, the algo is gonna flip negative. See? The algo is gonna flip negative. When you're $50 above the 10 bar, Okay, the algo should have waited a little bit more. I knew this was going to happen. 28,000. Wait, I'm scaling out at 28,000. If God is here today, I'm coming back tomorrow. Okay. So the NASDAQ just dropped from here to here, 108 points. There you go. You could scale out if you want 90 up to 0510. All right, see if we get another push up here. 90. All right, gold was a good short. These 5-minute time frames now look like, see the threes? They're touching to go negative here. NASDAQ could get down to 24. But let's just see. Got a bull flag setting up here. Got a nice bull flag. You're long the gold? Where? Here? I think, okay, I'd be careful. Yeah, I think the 25 handle right here where the 10 bar is. See it right there, Captain Price? So I think we get one more push up. Then I think the 15s roll over here. Remember, you were so far from the 10-bar moving average. I told you that the algorithm was higher by the moving average by 50. All right. So let's just see. I longed at 40.19. I don't know why. I think there's a good chance I can get down to that 25-45 range. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. The algo is going to flip negative. Yes, sir. Well, you're in a bullish trend on the 1530 and 60s. I don't know. We'll see. There was some drop, 125 points. That's why I said look to get out 90 to 05, got up to 97. I still think you're going to get one more push up here, and that push up, you're getting oversold into a positive MACD here. So somewhere between the even and 45 range is another buy here somewhere. Okay, even in 45. You're bullish from 770. Okay. All right, we should get one more push up. Let's see here again. If you're long, you can scale out 85 up to 05 here if they get one more push. These 3s and 5s are getting here. The 5s are oversold. So basically the strategy is this is the first pullback on the 5. We should get another push up off the 5-minute time frame here. So they just ran off the lows here about 20. They should get another push up here. You have your bid. I hope you did. I hope you bought the 55s. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see if we get one more push up here. Now, if they get down to the even 28,000 to 28,045, I'd look to buy them here. Here we go. 45. Watch them go to 25. I told you the algorithm's going to go negative, but let's just see. It's going to. Okay, good job, Mini Max. Let's see. Missed most of that short? What do you mean? NASDAQ just dropped 130. The guy who bought 21,000 178, he jumped. 38. Watch it go to 25. I'll jump. You can scale out of any longs here between the 45 and 65.70. Let's see. These fives are going to turn up here. You do have oversold conditions on the 5. Luke, you're still short? Okay, brother. All right. Let it be a simple 975. All right. Good morning, Shahid. Wow, NASDAQ down 150 off the highs. It's a casino. Did I miss anything? Yeah, I would just tune in tomorrow. Let's see here. Look at this. Look, the algo's going to go negative here. Look. Like I said before, when they have that distance. Look at this, going to hit 25. Oh, my God. It's going to hit 25. Oh, my God. Just tune in tomorrow. 25. There it is. Look at the algo about to reverse. The distance from the 10 bar never fails. That's why you have to take the scalp longs in and out. Bye-bye. All right, you're still in the range here. If you kick them out 48.50, I still think you're going to get one more push up here. You could look to buy these again here, anywhere from the 90 to 25 range. I think you're going to get another push up. Or if you're still long, you can start selling out here, 38 up to 58.68. There you go. There you go. Right back up. Hit that 25 mark. Damn, that's unbelievable. Does everybody understand that aspect of trading? There it goes, right back up. When the algo was higher by the moving average by 50, means that the algo will reverse itself first before it touches the 10 bar. You see how it touched the 10 bar right there? Damn. Falter. Good job, Falter. Falter, if you're new, please text me, 914-500-7484. There's 30 on the NASDAQ. On the off the lows. 30 on the NASDAQ. You need a Coors? You need one bourbon, one scotch, and one beer. Boom. Yes, sir. S&Ps, I look to buy them here at 82.5 to 89.5. I think you get one more big push up here on the S&Ps. I think you're going to get another big push up here on the NASDAQ. I don't think we're going to see the highs of the day. Oh, that's beautiful. The lights are off in Georgia. Okay. I think we don't. Yeah. Oh, you just moved. I had the lights off. Okay, so I got to ask everybody a question, okay? All right. Do you like the dry fit shirts with this logo right here, the caboose, the dry fit? You guys like the dry fit look here? Okay. Or do you like the 100% cotton shirts? Because I got to make a decision the next 2 days. Or do you like the cotton shirts right here? The cotton shirts Okay, you can see here, right? Or do you like the dry fit shirts with the American flag, the MyFundedFutures logo? Okay, 100% cotton, dry fit. We got to take a poll. Aaron, can you do a poll, please, for me? Cotton versus dry fit. Okay, I can only. Okay, Aaron. So here's the dry fit, right? See the American flag, MyFundedFutures logo, right? You see that? MyFundedFutures, SK Trading. Or do you like the cotton? Okay. I'm used to the cotton, but who the hell knows, right? You see that right here? That's the cotton. Really good cotton material. My friend's like, whoa, all this stuff's going to peel over time. Not with the dry fit. So cotton for the win. Cotton, right? You need to be in shape for that's a good one. Oh my God.
It's true though.
It is true. How come the chat's not moving up?
Mine's working.
No. Dry fit. I can wear cotton as a dry fit. Oh my God. Aaron, can we do a poll here? Aaron? 2 times. Hi, what's going on? Jay Williams, I'm bringing you a shirt my daughter made. So, all right, let's go. Get in there. There goes the NASDAQ, baby. S&Ps, Diego. What a strategy, up 4 or 5 on the S&P. There they go, right to my number. Look at that. Kaboom. Okay. Can you give me a what was I just? Jeez, I can't even talk. No. Can we do a poll? Jesus, I've got brain freeze. Can we do a poll, Aaron? Aaron, let me know what you think, Aaron. Look at this. Look at the screen here. Do you like the cotton? I want to do a poll. A cotton, because I can only pick one. The cotton shirt, 100% cotton, American flag, MyFundedFutures, SK, Kaboosh. Okay, with that. Or do you like the dry fit, Aaron? Okay. I want to do a poll. Anyway, we could do a poll. Cashmere, what are you, nuts? Okay. All right. Let's go. Okay. So everybody, there you go. Woo! Diego, get in there, Baba. There you go. Fishnet. Are you crazy, Ricky Bobby? Oh my God, that's hysterical. All right, dry fit versus cotton, Aaron. Can you do a poll for me, please? And ask if we can get the consensus here. Now, my friend's telling me, who's in the T-shirt business, that this will never fade, right? It's built in. However, this, he said, will last. However, the design, if it's not taken care of, could start peeling. I don't know. What the hell do I know? There it is. There's the poll. Dry fit versus cotton. Okay. You got to go to MyFundedFutures YouTube and please fill it out. Okay. Is gold going below 4,000? Yes, but not tonight. Okay. Not tonight. Bikini. What? What's going on here? All right. If anybody, can you just make it? No. Are you crazy? The most, I told Joe Willie, I know Joe Namath lives right here. And I was out one night and we were hanging out in this restaurant. I said, Joe, you got to suit up. He loved me. We had such a good time. And then next thing I know, I said, Joe, this is the most jinxed team in all of pro sports. He says, I know, buddy. I know. He says, I said, you got to suit up, Joe Willie. And he was hysterical laughing. All right. Anyway, cotton, dry fit. Aaron, what do you like? Can you text me, Aaron? I don't know. I'm torn, actually. I'm kind of old school, maybe. I don't know. I'm for the cotton. My friend's like, no, you don't want cotton, man. I wear these all the time. I don't know. I'm like, oh, my God, please. Oh, my God.
They are unforgiving.
What?
They are unforgiving.
No, my guys, no, they're animals. No, sir. Oh, no. All right, we have 149 people. We got 1 minute to go on the votes. Cotton wins. Dry fit. Steven. I don't know. It's a combination. 154. Sanchez, pure cotton is best. Look at this. It's amazing how many people have opinions.
Right?
You need SK tank. Let's go. Get in there, Jeff. Your brother, I made your brother eat healthy tonight. He had water and a salad like he's doing 20 years.
Yeah.
All right. Jim used dry fit. Go for cotton. That's what I'm thinking. I was like, if it goes to 950, you don't mind? Well, I told you Captain Price 25. All right. Ay, 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 ay. All right. All right. So we have 177. He's saying that that's a dry fit, right? That you have on. My friend Brandon said.
No, I don't know where dry fit. Right
He's
now.
not wearing dry fit.
I don't think so. I don't know.
It's not a dry fit, Brandon. All right. I just don't think Brandon wants to do the work. Cotton 100% washed inside out, no dryer, it'd be perfect always. Johnny boy, I think there goes the NASDAQ. This is NASDAQ's going to go. I think this NASDAQ could push up to 85.90 if you're still long. I want that shirt. Well, we're going to be working on it soon. We just got to make a decision. All right. So let's see if we get a push up here. I think the NASDAQ's going to go to 80. Could go to 80. Could go to 80 on this push up. Look, it's going to go to 80. There goes 80. There goes 80. There goes 80. Captain Price, I called it right down there. Vaughn, what's going on, Vaughn? All right. Chat, can we get 300 likes here? Can we please, everybody subscribe to SK Trading YouTube and also MyFundedFutures YouTube? Please, come on, let's subscribe, baby. And please watch my podcast, The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. Okay? All right? NPR, Bam on the money, right, Bam? NPR, get in there. Made another 200 bucks, Ryan Grant. I'm telling you, they're going to go. All right, told you going to go to 80. All right, I think we have about 207 votes. Aaron, how much time you want to give this? Aaron? I think gold's going to get kabooshed. Kaboosh or kaboom. Hey, D Hall, dry fit or cotton? Come on, help me out here. Let's go. There you go. There you go. All right. We talking oil at 80. What? Gerben, what are you on? Gerben, whatever you're on, please send me a case. What are we looking at? We talking oil at 80? Oh, my God.
So oil jumped like 5% Iran attack tonight.
What's that?
There was an Iran attack on...
Yeah, on the U.S.
Yeah.
All right, hit my number. That's good enough for me. All right, there goes the gold dropping. All right, let's just see what's going to happen here. All right, cotton. Oh, wow, 65%. Wow. Looks like cotton wins. Right? It doesn't matter. Gold. Kaboom. No, kaboosh to 6 down. 4th. Please don't ruin the word. Kabooshed. Ooh, 6% no vote? Oh, my God. 6% no shirt? Come on, guys. Give me a break. All right. Did you see the boy, the 16-year-old boy who saved NASDAQ? If the NASDAQ gets down to the 85 to 125, I look to buy it again here. Did anybody see the boy, the 16-year-old boy who saved that boy in the ocean? Did you see that?
It's awesome.
Did you see that? That kid, do you see the waves that kid had to battle to save that kid's life? Well, the president just announced he's bringing both of them to the White House. I mean, unbelievable. But I mean, I'm not just saying it for that reason. I'm saying it because I couldn't swim in that thing. I mean, that thing would have sucked me right out. Right?
Yeah.
See, once it doesn't matter, you have to call me and I'll have to try to figure a way to get it to you. If the Nasdaq goes down to the 90 to 28,030, I'd buy it again. These 15s are going to turn up here. That is pretty heroic, though. I mean, I don't know if I'm a big guy, man, but I couldn't do that. All right, well, I tried to buy 25s. The low is what, 28 here? They're going to go up. Jesus, missed it by 4. Come on. All right. Now, gold, if this gold gets down to the 75.5, 81.5, I would look to buy them. I could do it, CT clutch, Danny? Nah, no. The Lone Wolf trades, if you text me, I'd try to see if I can get it to you. That was unbelievable the way that young man saved that boy's life.
All right, 289. Choose two numbers.
289?
3 numbers. Yeah, 3 numbers.
Number 9. Number 9, please.
Eli Jowanick. We all know who you are. Where you at?
Eli, are you in the house? Eli.
There he is. Hey, and if all you guys want to watch SK YouTube, go to SK Trading YouTube. SK Trading YouTube. That's actually his name. SK Trading YouTube. All right. Next.
All right. Next. Number 103.
Felipe Dubs.
Felipe Dubs.
Dubs, like D-U-B.
Oh, Dubs.
Yeah, you know, like a W. Dub. Where is the Felipe? Guess he's not here. Next.
Number, let's see here. Number 139. Number 139.
Corb Trades.
Oh my God. Corb Trades. Oh my God. Thank you, Data.
Next.
Let's see here. Number 184. 184.
I think their name is Bennett, but without the E. So Bennett. So Bennett. There he is. Back to you.
Wow. All right, congratulations. Congratulations. Where do you sign up for those, J-Dubs? You got to go to MyFundedFutures YouTube. Here comes the NASDAQ dropping. See if this NASDAQ can get one more push up off these 30-minute time frames. Hey, James Bond, how are you? Yo Wang, where? I think 28. Yeah, it could get down there. That's why you got to scale in. Let's just put the. All right, here we go. Yep. So let's just see here. That was a nice. I thought it was going to go to 80 and stop.
Yeah, order at 28. It's the wrong number.
NASDAQ's down 175 points off the highs. Cabooshed. Let's see if we got. They push up to the 18 to 30 range. I'd scale out of longs here, 18 to 30. I told you this algo is going to go negative, and then what you want to do is you want to short the next bounce, and then the pullback on the 15 should give it a go here. You'll get an email. Yep, you'll get it. Oh, come on. Look at this. What a cabooshin. Come on, you got to get one more push up. This guy, whoever bought this 28,178, he jumped. Scale out between the 15 and 30 here on the NASDAQ if you get one more push up here. Okay, the fives finally went negative. So what you want to do is get a rally here, look for a short, right? Get one more push down, get these 15. This is a monster bull flag here, setting up, right? So you want to get one more push up to get short into the negative MACD. You want the 3 and the 5s to work off the oversold condition. Hopefully, maybe you got to push up to 35, 40, 45, maybe 50, and then you want to get a short and then look for a drop and then set up the 15s. You can see 29. So the next drop should get the NASDAQ, could get down to the 965 level, 975 level. Okay. One of the shorts go for sale. I haven't decided yet. Here we go. I'd be scaling out of longs 15 up to 30 here. There you go. There you go. 28, 29. There you go. I'll be scaling out of longs here. There you go. There you go. What I tell you, there you go. There you go. Get in there. There you go. I want to see 45, 50 to get the short, somewhere around here. There you go. What a caboose on this oil. What a beautiful bull flag in oil. Oh my God. Look at the oversold into the positive MACD right here at 830, 81.62, ran $1. Good Lord. Should get one more push up on this gold. There goes the NASDAQ. Yeah, gold's not looking too good here. I still think we were 74.5 to 80, 81.5 range. Just kept it tight. I still think you're going to get one more push up here. If this gold can get one more push up. Cotton, silk. All right. You think oil can get to 84.5? Maybe. This is a little bear flag here, believe it or not, setting up here. This gold.
Oil's got a pretty big gap.
What, gold?
Oil.
Yeah, well, I mean, the caboose in the oil. I mean, the caboose in the gold, I mean. All right, I'm still bad. All right, 36 was the high here. Damn it. Should have shorted it on the NASDAQ. Oh, jeez. 41. I said 45. Ah, jeez. Just took my eye off it. All right. I think gold's going to get one more push up here. What a short at 88. Oof. Still think you can get one more push up on this gold. And you got to look to short it. All right. I still think this gold is going to, should have shorted 41s there. S&P. S&P, you could probably go S&Ps here, 78.5 to 74, 84.5. Come on, 350 viewers, 250 likes. I think NASDAQ's making, oh, Jesus Christ, I missed that short at 41. Damn it. This NASDAQ could break 8,000 and then 28,000. There goes the gold right back up. See?
Yep.
See? I stay with this gold, and then I would look to exit longs here, 74.5 to 78.5. And then I look to get short the gold. Short that gold anywhere between the 76.5, 77 up to 84. Okay, NASDAQ finally broke. Just dropped 50 here. Hit the 41 mark. I told you, you're going to get one more push up for a short. I was thinking, hopefully, what's the 1 minute? I think the 1 minute did it. Yep, the woman at bear flag right there, 40. Damn it. All right. All right. NASDAQ, if the NASDAQ gets down, I would go 945 to 985 on the NASDAQ. Should have waited on that. And that bear flag, 40. I was hoping for 45.50 to get the short. What did it just get down to? 89. Go NASDAQ here. Go 50 to 90. If you get 50 to 90, just ran 17. Jesus. 27,950 to 990. Damn it. I missed it by 4. Look at this. 85. Come on. To the floor. You think 27,700? No. Sir, what are you using? What am I on or what am I using? I don't know what kind of question. What am I using? What am I using? What? A software? It's my own. Boom. All right. And be as simple. The kind of chart it is. It's my own software. And you got to see the new software that's coming out in the next 3 to 4 weeks. Oh my God. It's going to be a killer. Oh my God. We got people right now looking to short gold from where? If gold gets up to the 90, 76, 77 to 84. Jeffrey, congratulations, Jeff. Good job. There goes the gold. Do you think to be a good trader, believing in God is important? I don't think that's, I think I'm a very religious man. This is the Bible my mother gave me when I was 10 years old. And it's glued to me. I was 10, so I'm 63. So it's 53 years. It's glued to me. So I'm a very religious man. However, I don't look at this. Oh my God, this NASDAQ, S&Ps just got kabooshed. And you should get a push up here off the 5s. Unbelievable. NASDAQ's down 200 off. Is it 200? Yeah. What's the high? Yeah, 200, 100 off the highs. No, 200 off the highs. NASDAQ's down 200. Yeah. There goes the gold right back. Oh, boy. All right, NASDAQ still in the range here. 50 to 90, but all right, NASDAQ, S&Ps, if you got stopped, I'd buy them again here, 70 to 76. There goes the gold, exiting longs. NASDAQ should get a push up here. NASDAQ's down 200.
How about it at 75?
You bought them at 75?
Yeah, just right now.
975?
475.
The S&Ps,
Yeah.
okay. All right.
The same thing. Yeah, it's just a huge drop.
This is unbelievable. Let's see if the 5s. You're deeply oversold here. This was the short here at on the 5. This push up to 41. Henny, my Henny's the best. He's home right now resting. See if this NASDAQ can get up to 70 to 80 range. These 15-minute, I said it too, they can probably get down there. These 15s are getting oversold. Let's see if you get a push up here. I'm talking, tape reader. That NASDAQ, S&Ps didn't do good there. We should get them on this one here, though. All right, gold's dropping. Come on, we got to get a push up. NASDAQ's 200 off the highs. These 15 should push the S&Ps, the NASDAQ over 28,000 if and when they set up. How's Henny? I took him to the vet today. He's going to need surgery down the road. 2 knees and a hip. Come on, give us a push up. These 15 should take over. NASDAQ, if you're short the gold, lower your stops on this NASDAQ. Yeah. I love my Henny. You crazy? I'll do anything for my Henny. I love my Henny. Damn, what the hell? Come on, pop. Remember the idiot who bought 46s up here, 146s? If you get stopped on the NASDAQ, you're going to have to look to buy them again here. Out. That's not good. 40 to 90. Buy them again here. 880 to 920. You're gonna get some push up here.
I just bought it 925.
Gold just dropped. I don't believe in back testing. S&P is unbelievable. Down 27 off the highs. There we go. Anybody know where Micron is? All right, come on. You're 80 points. NASDAQ's down 250 off the highs. You should get some type of a bounce. Oh my God. These S&Ps. These 15s are deeply oversold here. Look at it, a 5. This is what's should save it. Should save it here. MU 810. Wow. Gold just dropped 7. You can scale out of these longs here, 920 up to 950 here. NASDAQ, S&Ps, Jesus. 73, 72 and a half, 73 to 76. Come on, you got to get a push up. You're not, Captain Price, good job. Come on, you got to rally here. These 15s are deeply oversold. They should get another push up here, at least to the 10 bar. At least here to 960, 955, 960. Has to be news related.
I was just looking and I couldn't see anything. I couldn't find it yet.
30, it could be 50, 60. We were catching 80, 90s today. It's a casino. You ain't kidding, brother. This long here, boom, 85. And then when the 5s reverse to sell, this is the short I missed right here at 40.
Starting to get so screen.
Let's try to get this. Oh, what manipulation? You ain't kidding.
right.
All right, here goes the S&Ps. Come on, 72 to 76. Let's see if we get longs. NASDAQ, I want to see the NASDAQ get up to 45.50. Yes. No rate cuts. I think they're gonna.
Tomorrow they're forecasted to do nothing tomorrow.
What's that?
They're forecasted to do nothing.
No, they're not gonna do anything tomorrow.
But there's still a chance by December for another hike.
All right, they hit up to 30, so it should have exited longs here. 42. All right, not bad. Ran about 50 handles here. Sorry about this one here, but everything else should have made up for it. Now what you do is you take the low print here and you take the long again. So, but again, I think these 15s are going to turn up here. I think they're going to rally. I don't think they're going to hit here, but they could hit here. They could retrace this whole 80-point gap from here to the 10 bar. If you're still long, I would just keep raising your stops because I do believe that these 5s and 15s are going to push up. And it did go from 96 to 42, but you see the distance here. Look at this. You're 77 points from this point to the moving average, the last sale to the moving average. All right. I still think they're going to go here. Let's watch. S&P 72 to 76 are exit longs. Diego, sorry about the prior one. Here's 41. There's 50 on the NASDAQ. Sold trade. Okay, the gold finally rallied here. There's the NASDAQ up 50. These 15s are going to turn up. I wouldn't be surprised they get right back up shy under 28,000 here. I'm telling you, with these 15-minute time frames. Diego, there it is. Diego, sorry about the last one. This one hopefully got some of it back. Okay. Next. Ryan Grant, great job. I just gold should get one more drop.
All right, give me three numbers.
Number 211. Look at him run.
Okay. That is Rommel J.
Ramo. Hey, Ramo.
All right. He's here. Next.
Okay. We're going to go number 61.
Jason King XXL fades.
Oh, Jason King. I saw him here today. There goes the NASDAQ. There you go, up 80 on the NASDAQ.
But is he here?
15 turned negative. Oh, no, it did not. Mine's positive.
Not here. Next.
Okay, we're going to go number 37.
Mo Trenchtown.
Right.
Mo Trenchtown.
Oh my God! Look at the NASDAQ right back up. The NASDAQ's going to go here. Look at these S&Ps, 80. Oh my God! If you want to take a scalp short here, scalp short 85.90 up to 20, up to 28,020.
All right, Mo Trenchtown. Got it.
Is he here?
Yeah. Next.
We're going to go number 4.
Unknown 999.
You got bear flags here. S&Ps, you can go 79.5, 80 up to 86. Look for shorts. Okay, you can just take one. This is a scalp short because the 15s are turning up. Okay, but you may get one more push down. Okay, you may get one more push down here. Uh-oh, Jason King is here. I thought we called his name.
He was late. I'm running live pictures right now.
Uh-oh.
I'm not running this game. You ain't in here to say you're here when I tell you, then you don't win.
All right. Put him in the bathroom. No. How do you can join Stonegate? You have to go to MyFundedFutures YouTube to sign up. And Aaron posted between 8 and 8:30. Look at this rally. Almost 100 handles off the low. I knew they were buy down there. Again, if you're going to short this bear flag, I would scalp it. Be careful because these 15s can really take off. Okay? You got to be very fast if you're going to scalp the short. I don't know, Aaron. They're saying that Jason said he was here 4 times. I don't know.
No, he wasn't. I've been watching the chat this whole time. And Unknown's not here. So next. Unless you want to give it to him.
Give it to Jason. All right, Jason. All right.
That's the last time that I'm letting people do that.
I'm not doing that again. Aaron's right. Okay, Jason.
Back to you.
Because I got a good heart. All right. Really, in all honesty, you weren't here. Okay. Look at this. Boom. All right, Jason. Okay. NASDAQ, look to cover any shorts here between the 60 and 85 range. Let's see if these 5s can get one more push down. Diego, S&P, 76 to 79. All right, Jason. What do you say? Jason King. Well, I mean, people are saying he was here. He wasn't here. I don't know. So, you know what? Just next. No. A lot of people said he was here. They said it 4 times. So, I'm not really looking at the chat like that. What a bear flag. And one more push down. What a 100-point rally off the NASDAQ. That's pretty good. 250 down, 100 up. Okay. Wow, 9:30 already. Good Lord.
Right.
All right, that gold rallied right back up here. Should have got out of your longs before. Got up that 76, 77. All right. You were 74 to 81. So NASDAQ should drop here. S&P should get one more push down. I haven't decided on these dry fits or cotton yet. I still can't make a decision.
I'll tell you, I kind of like the cotton, man. I'm gonna be honest
I
with you.
don't know. I like the cotton too. I think the dry fit. I think the cotton's the way to go.
It looked nicer to me.
Yeah.
And, it's
Oh. Bye-bye, NASDAQ. Well, gold, if you're short the gold on that in that range, lower your stops. S&Ps, Diego, get in there. Look at him drop on that bear flag. There you go. There's 40. 40. Wow. I didn't say NASDAQ long. I just called NASDAQ short. Did you not hear me say look to short the NASDAQ? 85.90 up to 25. You didn't hear me say that? 20, 25. Oh my God. I said bear flag 3 times. Futures duck. Come on. Did anybody ever hear me say long up here? I called long lower, not here. Right. And I said it was a short scalp.
Someone said put him in the bathroom.
No, I don't understand how I said short and they're saying I said long. That's not true. I know what I said.
Yeah.
There goes the gold off the 15. Gold's in a bullish trend here on the 15, 30, and 60. So when you got that push down, okay, it had to be long the gold. And then I said short scalp. And I said S&Ps. I said S&Ps 80 to 86, look to short them. And then look to cover 76 to 79. I know what I said. Right, exactly, Angel. Well, we may get one more push up here. Exactly, short as fast as well. Oh my God, look at the NASDAQ drop. This gold's a short here. Again, if this gold came up to the 79 to 87, I'd look to short it. Danny, good job. Wow, look at the NASDAQ get killed. Look at the S&Ps, Diego, down 7. Oh, my God. If you're still short that gold should drop one more time here. NASDAQ just dropped 50 on that bet. Ryan, you get that short, Ryan? Yep. I think NASDAQ, I don't know about 920. I think you got to buy the NASDAQ when the 5s get oversold again. The gold just ran 10 off the lows, off the 15s.
I'm gonna say gold in the index has been pretty correlated.
The gold what?
Gold in the indices have been pretty correlated lately.
All right. So do you see how the 15s got oversold on the gold right here?
Yeah.
Right here. So you see how the 15s reversed to buy right here?
Oh, yeah.
The 60s.
Yeah,
So this is the first pullback. That's why I said,
Okay.
look to take the long here, push up. It dropped a little further than expected. Caught the little scalp short here, and then the 15 started turning up. So this gold actually ran 13 off the low. Let's see if we get this NASDAQ. What a bear flag. Oof. Kospi's back to selling again. Where's the EWYs? Oh my God, 151. Gold just rallied 15 here off these 15-minute time frames. Anybody know where the EWYs are? What along on the gold?
Yeah, still
151.82. Thank you, Mikey Jock. See the 15-minute time?
they gap down so far.
Why is this gold not right? No. What, gold?
No. The EWY, it's still very red.
I don't understand why this gold is bullish. Did the gold rolled, right? Thank you.
Yeah, it's really bullish.
Yeah, but I don't know why that
Yeah, I
algo.
don't know why either, though.
One's saying bullish, one's saying bearish here. What month are we looking at gold? Anybody know? Was it GC?
Week 6.
No. Is it what month? Mikey Jacques, anybody know what month gold is? Yeah, off the 15s. Good job. Gold just rallied 19. It's in the Q. GCQ 26. Is that it? Oh, we got the wrong contract. That's no wonder why.
Yeah, GQ. So
I don't know what the hell I got here. It's Q, December, right? Isn't December Z?
I don't know.
Something's wrong. I have 488 on one screen. I have 428 on the other.
It's the 428.
That's the one?
Yeah.
What the hell am I looking at?
I didn't even notice.
It's August. Q's August, right? December. Isn't December Z? Oh my God! Look at these S&Ps. Look at this Nasdaq.
Month of August, yeah.
It's August.
Yes.
It's Q.
Yeah.
Z is December. I've known that from the beginning of time.
Yeah, Z is December.
Yeah, but why is one saying 428 and the other one saying 488? Oh my God, S&P's down 10. Nasdaq's down almost 80. Covered is short here on the gold between the 80 and 85 and a half. I don't even know what the hell is what I'm looking at. And this is until I figure this out. I don't get it why I'm bullish on all the 60, 30, and 15s, which I see why I was calling along on the gold, but it's not matching up to the August contract. Oh my God, Diego. Look at this S&P and Nasdaq.
Wild.
It was a great short.
Yeah.
Nasdaq's going to break 900 again.
Yeah.
There it is. Look to buy the Nasdaq anywhere between the 45 and 85 range. Wow. Oh my God, S&P's down 13. Nasdaq's down 100. Oh my God. Unbelievable. Rallied, dropped 250, rallied 100, down 100. What a bear flag.
Wild.
I love it. What a short. Oh my God, there goes the gold. All right, finally dropping. I don't know what the hell I'm looking at. Oh my God, S&Ps. Oh, let it be a simple kind of ridiculous, right? Falter. Hope you had a great evening. I don't get this NASDAQ. I don't get this gold. Take care, Ryan. Not Kabushi, Kabooshed. NPR, good job. Great job tonight. Good job, everybody. All right, we're getting in this long here, 45 to 85. You can scalp the long here, 85 up to even if you're long. This gold's starting to drop. How was that earnings last night? What, David? I don't understand what you're saying. NASDAQ should get one more push up here. You see when you got the push up into the negative MACDs on the 5, that's why I saw that bear flag, right? Okay. Take care, Omaha. You want 27,700? I want 26,000. How's that? All right, this gold's dropping here finally. Gold. Oh, wow. Look at them get kabooshed. 64. All right. There is an ETF with the ticker MGC. I don't know. I guess. Oh my God. NASDAQ's down almost 300 off the highs.
All right. Time to give me a few more.
Okay. No problemo. Number 15, 15.
Number 1515. See a trade.
See her. Hey, get in there. Sierra Trades, get in there.
There you go. Next.
Let's do number 226.
Augusto, RO7.
Augusto, RO7.
Yep.
All right. NASDAQ, look to sell here, 80 up to even. You can start scaling out longs here. 75 up to even, 75 up to 95. Is he here?
Yep. Next.
Okay, let's do number 23.
Greatest player ever in sports.
Michael Jordan.
Goddamn right.
Who?
Michael Jordan. That's right.
Oh,
Best
I was
player
just
ever.
kidding. Michael Jordan's in the room. Michael, I live in Jupiter. Let's hang out.
All right, Mr. Salta, 333. If anybody
LeBron
says
James.
LeBron James is the greatest,
No.
I'm banning you right now.
Oh my God, I'm with you on that one. Put him in the bathroom.
Yeah, put him in the bathroom.
Oh my God, no. Michael Jordan over LeBron? Are you crazy?
No, the other way around.
No, Michael.
Yeah,
Michael
you
Jordan.
said LeBron.
No,
You said
LeBron
Michael
over
Jordan
Michael
over.
Jordan, sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, oh my God. Steve Nash? No. Michael Jordan is the GOAT. One team, 6 championships, defensive player MVP, 5 times, 6 times, whatever. There's no way in hell. LeBron won what? He's on 4 teams and he won 3 and he lost 4 NBA champ. No way.
He's on 5. He's on the Sixers now.
No, how many teams? 4 teams, right, in his life? 5?
He went from Cleveland to Miami, back to Cleveland.
Yes, I'd be buying him, Jeff, here.
To LA, and now he's a Sixer. Okay. Yeah, Salto is here. Next.
Michael Jordan, I agree. All right. Number 154. Number 154.
I can't pronounce this. Head.
Oh my. Next.
Yeah.
Clyde Drexler.
Head up, eyes low. Oh, that's why it's in capitals. Head up, eyes low.
Dennis Rodman, no way. Great defensive player, but he wasn't better than
Good
Michael
rebounder,
Jordan.
too.
Mr. Freeze, Michael LeBron is the greatest? Oh, no.
Oh, my God. Ban.
Oh, my God.
Ban him.
I know.
All right. He's here. One more.
Number, let me see. Number 30.
Scottie Pippen. Get out of here with that. Zeph Side, 8-4.
Hey, Zeph Side, my brother. Get in there. Look at this gold drop. NASDAQ's down 300 off the highs now. Actually, 340.
Pete
I still think
Maravich.
you're going to get a bounce.
Man, you old if you say Pete Maravich.
Kobe's definitely no. I think Kobe is in the top 5. I mean, you got Bill Russell. I mean, come on. You got Kareem. You got to put Kobe in the top 5. Absolutely.
I think Kobe's
No?
number 2. Yeah, I think
Kobe's-
it's Jordan, Kobe, and look,
You got
I'm
Will
biased.
Chamberlain. You got Bill Russell. You got, come on, Kareem.
Yeah, but I'm biased
Larry
because I'm
Bird.
from the Bay Area, so I'm gonna say
yeah, but you
Jordan.
got Larry Bird. Larry Bird's got to be in the top 5 then.
Oh yeah, for sure. It'd be like this for me. It'd be Jordan, Kobe, Curry, Bird, Shaq.
You can't leave out Bill Russell. The guy won the most. What? No, he won 12 championships
11
with the
but
Celtics.
It was 11, but still. Oh, juice bag. You're banned. Put him in the bathroom.
What did he say?
He said LeBron, Jordan, and Kobe in that order.
I don't even think LeBron's in the top 5 in my book.
No ways. Not even close. Maybe maybe top 10.
This Nasdaq's got a bounce here.
Dude, it's wild.
Are you long?
Yeah, I just try to pick a bottom, but I've scaled into a couple of things here, and hopefully it's gonna bounce here soon.
Oh no, you got Scott from Vegas telling me Bill Russell in my text messages.
Bill Russell's, you can't ignore Bill Russell. Aaron won 12 championships.
11 championships.
11, sorry.
But you know, I know he's great. I'm not saying he's not, but he had a really good team as well.
Bill Walton, another great one, right?
Yeah, Walton was good.
Jesus Christ.
I think they're going to bounce.
Okay, Gary, how old are you? You're like calling Kareem Abdul-Jabbar his old name.
That freaking bear flag just dropped 180 points. Where are you long? 17?
I'm at like 27,833 is my average price now. So I don't even have to go up that high.
33 or 28?
33.
You're going to get it. You're going to get it.
Yeah.
That's right, Teach.
You're going to get it. They should rally to 45, 55, 60.
I love that.
And anybody that says Tom Brady is better than Joe Montana, get out of here. Put him in the bathroom.
I have to kind of say Tom Brady is better than Joe Montana.
No ways. That guy's a cheater. They got caught cheating twice.
Wow, for a ball being
no, they got caught. No, don't you remember Spygate? Where they were they knew all the teams' other fucking plays? Come on.
That was Belichick that did that, though. That was the coaches that did that.
Come on. You think it was just the coaches? Are you kidding me?
Well, I mean, how could they lose? Okay, hold on one second. Let's just take one step. They're losing 28-3 to the Falcons at halftime, and they come back and they win the Super Bowl. I mean, come on. They stole their plays?
Oh, no. Come on, man. We all know it's rigged. Come on.
I'll tell you a great story, though, and this is a true story. There was a guy I knew with 4 minutes to go in the game, and he was a fireman. And they were summoned to a chemical fire in Stamford, Connecticut. Of the 14 firemen, 13 died within 5 years. He was diagnosed with stage 4 terminal cancer. And we were talking one day, and I said, what's your wish? And he said, I want to meet Tom Brady before I die. So I made it happen. I said, so what happened was I called the Patriots up, make a long story short. I had to do all this paperwork and everything, bada bing, bada boop, bada bop. I drive up to Foxborough, Mr. Kraft. I go right into his tent with him, and I'm hanging out with Mr. Kraft and the owner of the Saints. It was a summer afternoon scrimmage, and then next thing I know, they have the scrimmage, and they said, Steve, wait here, and we're going to get Tom to come over, right? So I'm standing there with the guy, and Tom's across about 35 feet away from me with Giselle and his baby, and finally he's not coming over. And I said, Tom, and he wouldn't even ignore me. And then finally, after about 25 Toms, the lady said, I'm sorry, I don't think he wants to come over. I'm like, the man's last wish, right? I mean, come on. I mean, I drove all the way here. This man, he won't make it for another 3 months. So all of a sudden he starts walking off the field with his helmet in his hand. And I said, I can't believe this. And he knew ahead of time we were standing there to make a man's last wish come true. So about 20 minutes later, I see him put his head down. I'm like, don't worry about it. We had a good day. And I'm like, there's no Steve, thanks for trying. On the corner of my eye, I see Drew Brees. I run over to Drew Brees. I say, hey, Drew, can you do me a big favor? I told him what happened. He goes, are you kidding me? Really? I said, yeah. He goes, come on. He jumps over the little fence, and he hangs out with me for an hour with this gentleman. And we sat, we talked, we BS'd, gave the guy the biggest hug, gave him his jersey, took pictures with him. and they drove home. The guy had the biggest smile, and then he died about 2.5 months later. That's a true story.
See, told you. Tom isn't the GOAT. I told you.
No, I don't like what he did, though. That was nonsense, though.
Exactly. That's why he's not the GOAT. Montana would have hung out with him.
Oh, hey, we forgot about Magic. You got killed on that?
Yeah, there must be some news or something, man.
Yeah. We forgot Magic Johnson. I mean, come on. I mean, he's got to be in the top 8.
Oh, Magic Johnson is amazing. I'm not saying he's definitely top 10.
I think Kobe was better, though. They're going to push up here. They're going to push up to 40 on the NASDAQ. What Drew Brees did for that gentleman, I literally walked up to him. Hey, buddy, how can I help you? And I told him. And he was so cool. He says, yeah. I said, Tom, want to come over? He goes, yeah, I don't want, don't worry about it, man. He's just like that, man. But I'll spend time with the guy. I said, really? He goes, yeah. I said, that's so nice, Tom. Thank you, Drew. He hung out for over an hour. He was the nicest guy in the world. Gave him his jersey, took him right off his shirt, took him right off. Boom. Yeah.
All right, 20 seconds.
Okay. Jeff, I hope you're just scalping these longs in and out here. Okay. Oh my God, they get in and out. All right, everybody. I want to thank you. There's news. It looks like we're bombing right now, or we're being attacked. Yeah.
What? What do you
It looks like my friends are saying that there's attacks on our bases or something.
Of course there is.
Great.
Down 400 off the highs. Yeah, that's my friends text me that. Yep, here it is now. All right, everybody, have a great night. God bless you. Expect any rallies here. I will be looking for scalp longs. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Aaron. Thank you, Matt. Thank you, Aaron. Thank you, Aaron. God bless you. God bless our troops. And God bless the United States of America. Good night, everybody.
Yeah. Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secrets in the mist. Candlesticks whisper, every wick got a twist. Fibonacci spiral, price dance in a trance. Pyramids of profits if you catch the right glance.
Inner circle moves, shadows on the screen. Trading on the edge, chasing that dream. Cipher in the candles, fortune in the haze. The cipher in the riddle, money through the maze.
Liquidity hunts, snipers in the dark. Stop loss graves marked by the market shark. Order block sermons, preaching through the pain. Catch the ICT code, ride the profit train.